Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. As you can see in this video, I'm going to be planning in my horizontal planner, which I use to hand letter inspirational quotes for the week of the December 20th through the 26th. So we've got the first day of winter this week and Christmas. And so I like to color coordinate the pens that I use for this with the stickers. And so I feel like this week I want to be able to use red and green pens. So I'm going to use red and green stickers because it's Christmas. So I have a bunch of Save Freeze Recollections sticker books. So Save Freeze is one of the sticker pads. This is actually last year's sticker book, so I got this one in 2020. This is this year's sticker book. I got it this year just recently, within the last week or two at Michael's. And then I must have gotten this one last year because I know I didn't get it this year, but obviously the characters are the same. So I can't find anywhere where it says Save Freeze, but anyway, so they were different enough, and I love these characters. Of all the Recollections Hot Buy sticker pads, the Save Freeze ones are some of my, if not my ultimate all-time favorite, because they've got all the little snowmen family characters, like the little kitty cat, and they're just so stinking cute. So I wanted to, since I have a lot of these stickers, 3 sticker books, I wanted to go ahead and use these for the spread. There are lots of red and green. I love this Hello Winter one. Since the first day of winter falls this particular week, I was thinking maybe I could use this one down here in the corner to cover up this week, but we'll see. I've used, as you can see, I did use this sticker book quite a bit last year, so or over the last couple of years. It's got nice little boxes I can use for who to attribute the quote to. Like these will work. So we're just gonna, I think I could spend half of this spread flipping through sticker books, and I want to try to avoid that. So I'm thinking I'll just try to stick in this sticker book, and then if I hit a wall, we'll go ahead and get into some of the other sticker books. So I'm gonna start with just covering up this week and notes, and then we'll start by working to cover them up. So I do want to use this Hello Winter sticker. Even though it's mostly brown, it's got lots of green and red in it. It's a little on the tall side, but I can stick it down toward the bottom. It's a little bit skinny, so I can't tuck it into the corner exactly. I just want to make sure that's the only option. This is actually 2 stickers, so this is cut out, this center part is cut out separately. You could use them as one, but that's cute too. That big one, Snow Blessed, and this Christmas tree. So I think the red and green are definitely going to give us the Christmas vibe. So maybe Hello Winter. I just it's brown, and I'm hesitating. Maybe Snow Blessed, or I think the Christmas tree. I'm all over the place, you guys. I like the Christmas tree, and I am going to bring it all the way down to the very bottom edge of the page, yet center it. Center it a little better than that. Didn't have to white that out as it turns out, but that's okay. Just wondering, how can I tuck it into the corner? Will it still cover that up? It will. Okay, so that's it. We're going to tuck it right into the corner. Oh my gosh. Come on, Jude. Yep, that covered it up okay. Just because now I can, now I can build something, a little cluster down in this corner. So let's look for 3 to 4 boxes to use for the who to attribute the quote to. So there's these, and these are 2 from stickers, but I feel like I could totally use those as attribute boxes. Here's 4 green, green, red, red. How about these 4? They are all the same size, so they'll kind of bring coherence to both pages. Okay, so since this is green, let's go ahead and go with a red one. And then something to group with it. Merry and bright, feeling frosty. Ooh, these are cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. I just want something to kind of put over that little spot of white out. I guess I could put the box over it. Yeah, let's do that. So we're going to put the box over the white out, even though that kind of brings it down into this space. I don't care. It'll be clear that it goes with this quote. And then let's put something green with it, like, ooh, this. Cup of hot cocoa. Yes, so cute. And a bow. Should we put a bow with it? I might pull a lot of stickers off of this page, you guys. Okay. Next, we're going to come over here. Do I want Christmas gifts? Those mittens are cute. I kind of like this one. Well, no, and here's why I'm hesitating. If I put this sticker here, right above this sticker, and this one comes up like this, and this one comes up like this, it's going to look kind of too matchy-matchy, I feel like. Now, I do like this little truck. It's a color I don't have already. It's dark green. It's shaped a little different. Yeah, let's go with that. I'm going to move it over here just to give myself a tiny bit more space. Move it to the edge of the page. And then let's look for something kind of like this, irregularly shaped, to put up there with it. Like one of these little snowmen. Look at this guy. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that leaves me with having to put another one of these boxes here. So let's put it up high, and we'll grab a green one instead of a red one. So coordinating, but not matchy-matchy. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's grab a red one, or I mean a green one. And actually I can put the point that direction to also help change it up a little bit. Said I was going to put it up here, right? Which actually, you know, no, I think I want it here. I am going to move it over out of the box a little bit that direction. Okay, let's look for something to go with it. How about a Christmas sweater? That's a little big. Maybe the mittens. They keep catching my eye. Here's a red pair. Let's put the red pair with them. Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay. We're halfway done already, you guys. I do feel like I kind of want something up here. Ooh, this is perfect. Let's go with these little clusters of florals. Yeah. That is so cute. And then I think I'm just going to go with it. And we're going to do holly berries there. I think that's it. Okay. So do I go matchy-matchy or opposites? I never can decide. I do like this Feeling Frosty, and it's got those same mittens. So I'm thinking if I put Feeling Frosty down here, that'll put the mittens kind of far away from each other. It's way too tall to go on that side, so it's got to go on the right side. So it's either here or here. Let's definitely put it down here further away. And then that I did put the points down. The red is on the page, but the almost white points are down, so we'll chop those off. Yeah. Okay, so I want who to attribute the quote to here now, so obviously we'll use green. And I think maybe I'll put it up since that one's down. Here we go, grab this green one. I think I want it like this. Okay. How about, oh, then I was gonna say let's put coffee there again, but then I have them right beside each other, so let's save that. How about another snow character like the kitty cat or this little guy? And maybe the stocking or a gift. Ooh. Let's put, no, there's a gift right there. Let's put him there. Let's put him there. And I just noticed there's a little bird right here. Let's put the little bird there with him. Why not? In this world, birds and snowmen can be friends, right? Okay. I'm thinking, I don't want these to be in line, the two different who to attribute the quote to boxes. So let's put the other one, the last one there. Okay, that looks random enough. I'm kind of almost thinking this really tall because it'll be kind of tucked into the edge there. Or maybe here's where I put the Christmas sweater. Let's put a Christmas sweater here. Yes, cute. All right, one more cluster right here. I know this is going to be another super fast spread. I'm kind of maybe thinking a pile of Christmas presents right there. Just or maybe a couple of these. Ooh, let's do a couple Christmas ornaments, Christmas baubles hanging down. And then I could put a couple Christmas presents underneath, and that'll be that. I like this striped one. It's almost like a close-up view of up under the Christmas tree. There. Oh, that's cute, you guys. I like it. And I stayed all in this one sticker book. Just toying with putting a couple snowflakes up here. Because there are these tiny little, there are a couple little snowflakes here. That's all the snowflakes on that page. I wonder if that other page had any more. Because I kind of, oh. Here are red ones on a blue background. I think a single snowflake is sad. We need to have more than one. Okay. There's a couple more brown ones. Let's do a couple more. Oh, those aren't cut out, you guys. Oh wait, those two aren't. Neither is that one. That one's cut out. That's so weird. Those are, that one's not cut out. None of those are. Oh wait, those two are. This one is. That is so weird. Well, there's one way to fix that. We'll practice our kiss cutting and cut more of those out. Okay. I think that's probably done and done. There are some more of those cut out. Yeah, no, some of them are, some of them aren't. That is so weird. So weird. Little round circles. Okay. All right, I think that's it. Let's put it in my planner. It even matches the green lines. See, my bookmarks even say freeze from the paper pad. I laminated it. I love those little guys. They're so cute. Oh, his scarf is sticking off. We'll trim that. There we go. All right, there we go. My red and green say freeze horizontal spread. Broke another speed record on that one for the week of Christmas, the week of December 20th through the 26th. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to try doing your own quote planner if you haven't tried horizontal. They really are fun. There are so many different ways you can decorate them. I'm still brainstorming and figuring out new ways to decorate them. So if you do like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.